Let's be honest. You spend hours editing, posting, hoping, but your video still gets 37 views. Why? Because you are missing the viral code. In this video, I will break down exactly why your videos are not going viral and how to fix it in just 3 steps. Section 1. The truth nobody tells you. First, let's kill the myth. It's not the algorithm fault. YouTube wants people to watch good content. So if your video is not getting views, it's usually because your click-through rate and watch time are low. Yes, YouTube measures that. Think of the algorithm like a matchmaker. If your title, thumbnail, and content are not attractive, it won't introduce you to the more people. Now go to section 2. 5 reasons you are not viral. 1. Weak hook. First 5 seconds matter. Most viewers leave it in first 10 seconds. Start with a problem, question, or shock. Don't say, "Hey guys, welcome back." Instead say, "Here's why 99% of creator fails." Number 2. Boring titles. Your title should create curiosity or FOMO. Bad. How I edit my videos. Good. The video editing trick got me 100k views. Number 3. Poor thumbnails. No animation, no bold text, no storytelling. Use close-up faces, emotions, and contrast color. Tip: make sure it looks good even when it's small. Now let's come to number 4. No clear value. Ask, why should a stranger care about this? Solve a problem, teach something, or entertain quickly. Number 5. You're not posting consistently. The algorithm loves creators who post regularly. Pick a schedule and stick to it, even one video per week. Now let's go to the section 3. Fixes that work actually to grow your YouTube channel. Use AIDA formula. A refers to attention, strong hook. I to interest, unique, prescriptive, or story. D refers to desire, what they will learn or gain. A is equal to action, comment, subscribe, and etc. Now go to B. Nail your title plus thumbnail first. Plan it before you shoot. Think, what would make me click this? Now go to C. Keep watch time high. Jump to cut fast. Add B-roll, subtitles, motions. Tease what coming next. Now go to D. Use chapters for long videos. YouTube rewards videos that are easy to navigate. Now let's go to E. Hook in the comments. Pin a comment that says watch till the end. The real secrets are 3:10 timing. If you made it this far, you're not just a dreamer, you are a doer. So here's what you need to do next.